We got a key fob from a 2023 Infiniti QX55. We're going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So if we flip it over, there's a sliding button here that we're going to slide to the right and hold it down with our thumb. And we can pull out the emergency key. You have these two little slots on both sides of the remote here. They're very, very shallow slots. And if you take a small flathead screwdriver and put them inside of it, like that, they barely even go in. Just give it a twist. It will crack the remote open. Do it on both sides. Now you do it like this so you don't damage the remote. You don't want to sit here and just pry at the remote. So it gives you those little slots. So we can go in and around and carefully pry the remote open. Okay, and the battery is located on the back half of the remote. There's a little slot here for your screwdriver where you can pull the battery out. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing down where you can't read it anymore. We're going to put it on the right side first where these contacts are. Then lock it in like that. If you need a battery, look down in the description box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get the correct size battery if you need one. If you like to purchase stuff from Amazon, it's an easy way to get it. You get the two halves and you start at the top and work your way down and just lock it together. You can hear it snap like that. And we're doing good. Get the emergency key, lock it back in, and you're all done.